Hey there, I'm Alex, your host at PicDigi, and I'm absolutely thrilled to welcome you to our channel. Get ready for an amazing tech journey with me. In today's video, we have an exciting lineup for all beginner photographers out there. We're presenting the top 5 mirrorless cameras that are perfect for those starting their photography journey. At PicDigi, we're here to guide you through the world of cutting-edge camera gear. Our goal is to help you navigate the options and make informed decisions that align perfectly with your specific needs. All the cameras we discuss in this video are conveniently linked in the description below. To stay updated with the latest information and content, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable the notification bell. By doing so, you will never miss a single video. We hope you find this video informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We value your feedback. Let's dive in and discover the best mirrorless cameras together. Discover the Canon EOS R100, a compact and lightweight camera that packs a punch in the EOS R series. Equipped with a 24.1-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Digic 8 processor, it delivers exceptional image quality and speedy autofocus. Whether you're capturing breathtaking stills or recording full HD video at up to 60 frames per second or 4K footage at 24 frames per second, the EOS R100 is up to the task. Perfect for beginners, it offers creative features like Creative Assist and Creative Filters, allowing you to explore your artistic side. With its user-friendly design and intuitive controls, this camera is a great companion for those starting their photography journey. Experience the joy of content creation and unlock your creativity with the Canon EOS R100. The Sony ZV E10, a versatile camera designed specifically for content creators, vloggers, and aspiring filmmakers. With its 24.2-megapixel APS-C XMR CMOS sensor and powerful Bionz X image processor, the ZV E10 delivers impressive image quality with exceptional detail and low noise. Its advanced autofocus system, including real-time IAF and real-time tracking, ensures precise focus on subjects for both photos and videos. The ZV E10 is thoughtfully designed for vlogging, featuring a vari-angle LCD screen that flips forward for easy framing and monitoring. It also includes a built-in directional microphone and a 3.5mm microphone jack for enhanced audio recording options. With various creative features like background defocus control, picture profiles, and in-camera effects, the ZV E10 lets you add a unique touch to your content. It supports 4K video recording and offers features such as interval shooting and slow-motion capture. Designed for comfort and ease of use, the ZV E10 has a lightweight and ergonomic design, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions. It also provides seamless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, for convenient sharing and remote control. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, the Sony ZV E10 empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture stunning visuals for your vlogs, social media content, and filmmaking endeavors. Nikon Z30, a compact and versatile mirrorless camera designed for entry-level photographers and content creators. With a lightweight and portable design, it's perfect for capturing stunning images and videos on the go. The 20.9-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and Speed 6 image processor deliver impressive image quality with vibrant colors and sharp details. The Z30 features an intuitive interface, high-resolution electronic viewfinder, and tilting touchscreen LCD for easy operation. Its fast autofocus system ensures precise subject focus, including eye detection AF, capture cinematic 4K UHD videos, utilize creative features, and enjoy seamless connectivity with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The Nikon Z30 is your entry point to a world of mirrorless photography. Fujifilm X-S10 is a compact and robust camera crafted from magnesium alloy for a lightweight yet durable body. With a mere weight of 465 grams, the X-S10 is incredibly portable, allowing you to carry it effortlessly wherever you go. Its user-friendly design facilitates easy one-handed operation, granting quick access to various buttons and dials. The X-S10 features an ergonomic grip that provides a comfortable and secure hold, despite its small size. Additionally, it boasts a 180-degree variable touchscreen LCD, offering enhanced flexibility for shooting from different angles. Equipped with a 26.1-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, the XS10 delivers exceptional color reproduction and intricate details. It inherits all 18 film simulations, including the unique bleach bypass and classic negative options. Capture stunning visuals with the XS10's 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, or enjoy full HD slow-motion videos at up to 240 frames per second. Its advanced image stabilization technology ensures steady shots for both photos and videos, even in challenging conditions. Benefit from the XS10's rapid autofocus system, providing speedy and accurate subject tracking. It excels in low-light situations, allowing you to capture sharp images, thanks to its improved algorithm. Whether you're a casual photographer or a professional seeking versatility, the Fujifilm XS10 caters to everyone's needs. It combines a compact form factor with impressive capabilities for both photography and videography, ensuring you never miss a moment. Panasonic Lumix GX85. The GX85 combines advanced features with a lightweight and portable design, making it perfect for both photography enthusiasts and content creators on the go. Featuring a 16-megapixel live MOS sensor and Venus Engine image processor, the GX85 produces stunningly detailed images with vibrant colors and impressive dynamic range. Its low-pass filterless design ensures maximum sharpness and clarity. The GX85 features a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, providing up to 4 stops of stabilization for blur-free shots and smooth video recording. This technology is particularly beneficial when shooting in low light or capturing handheld footage. With its high-speed autofocus system, the GX85 ensures quick and accurate subject tracking, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects or spontaneous moments. It also offers various focusing modes, including face and eye detection, for precise and reliable focusing. The camera supports 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, allowing you to capture cinematic moments with incredible detail. Additionally, the 4K photo mode lets you extract high-quality still images from your 4K videos, giving you more creative possibilities, and unlock your creative potential with its compact design and advanced features. Each of these cameras offers distinct advantages and features that cater to diverse photography needs. When making your decision, consider your preferences for image quality, video capabilities, camera size, and lens compatibility. This will help you choose the camera that best aligns with your specific requirements. And with that, we conclude our roundup of the top 5 best mirrorless cameras for beginner. These remarkable devices will be readily available for purchase in 2024, ensuring you have access to the latest advancements in mirrorless camera technology. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, we kindly ask for your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to share this content with your friends so they can also benefit from our future 5 best videos. Thank you for watching, and we eagerly look forward to your presence in our upcoming videos. Until next time, take care and goodbye.